Okay, so this is the Tom Anderson Classic. Just thought I'd show the pickups in this compared to the G&L ones that I've just been messing with. So this one, you've got the VA booster. It's on this push-pull, and then you've got each of these mini switches turns on one of the pickups. These are the SC pickups. These are Tom Anderson's stacked single coil, so they're hum canceling. You can hear pretty much no noise at all, as opposed to the other single coils in the G&L, which are, you know, single coil noisy. These, I would say, definitely have a little bit more mid-range, a little less top-end sparkle. They're definitely a little higher output. But yeah, just kind of go through these and show how they compare. So here's the bridge. Now with the VA booster, here's with the VA off. So the boost actually kind of cuts a little bit of lows, cuts a little bit of highs, and emphasizes the mid-range. So it doesn't really add windings to the pickup or anything like that. It just sort of shapes the EQ of the pickup. So here's bridge and middle. With the booster. Boost off. So instantly it kind of scoops it back out. Here's middle pickup. Boost on. Boost off. All right, neck and middle. Boost. Boost off. And neck pickup. Boost. Boost off. All right, and then we've got neck and bridge. This is kind of the Telecaster type, you know, funky middle sound. 3 pickups. Boost on. So yeah, great sound. Very different than the other Strat. I would say this is definitely more of kind of a modern sound, but it definitely has its place. And honestly, this, if you needed a Telecaster in a pinch and didn't have one, this would cut, you know, make that happen for you. Tone knob on this is kind of interesting. It's a pretty so it's definitely a small cap value on there. It gets a little more pronounced if you put the boost on. Here's the boost off. But yeah, awesome sounding guitar. This thing plays amazing. Definitely neck feels great. Frets are nice and big. Just a super guitar.